How to use two Facebook in one phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to use dual Facebook application on your phone, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Also, now to use two Facebook app, the very first thing that you have to do, I already have the Facebook installed on my device. So now to install another one, all you have to do is just to get back from here and then open up the settings app from your phone. And from the settings, you just need to go ahead and tap on the search bar at the very top right here. Now go and search for Dual Messenger. And once you search with the Dual Messenger, you'll get to see the Dual Messenger option. You just need to tap on these and tap on Dual Messenger from the very bottom. And this is going to show you all the Messenger app that I have installed on your device. So you'll get to see the Facebook. Well, so now to make a copy of your Facebook app, you just need to go and enable this and tap on install, and this will take a little time and you're pretty much good to go. If I get back from here and open up the library, you'll get to see now I have another Facebook application installed on my device. So here I have the two different Facebook app on my device. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.